trafficking violates my fundamental right per se, because Article 23 says I have a right not to be trafficked. In such a case, I, the victim, is the principal stakeholder in the entire system of criminal justice. In the present law or the present system, I am seen as a person without agency, without having the resource or means to raise my voice. The state takes over the onus of prosecuting on my behalf, and thereafter the state acts through its agency of public prosecutors. Very practically, we see that the public prosecutors are overburdened with work and they do not give much importance to cases of trafficking. It is only on the date of evidence or the examination that the victim meets the public prosecutor. So she has no understanding of what has happened, what is happening, or why she is in court. Whereas the existing law provides that a victim of human trafficking is entitled to free and competent legal aid under the Legal Services Authorities Act by State Legal Services Authority SALSA or DALSA or NALSA for that matter. Now, where has this information percolated down to the victim who has just been rescued and is suffering from huge amount of trauma? Therefore, her right to legal services, though is there in pen and paper, it is not actualized. This bill proposes a mandatory service of lawyer in the event she cannot afford a lawyer to be provided by DALSA. So, in the case of a rescue, the DALSA has to be mandatorily informed, and DALSA has to provide legal service, have to inform her of her legal rights. What we have seen in the existing ITPA is that there is a kind of forced institutionalization. So, I have been trafficked from one place to another. I have put in either a brick kiln or in a forced labor situation or in a brothel. From there, I am rescued and restricted or confined in another institution. For me, there is not much of a difference between a shelter home and a brothel, because my right to liberty is curtailed. This law puts a focus on the victim and his or her right to choose the process of rehabilitation. Talking about rehabilitation, the existing laws do not say anywhere that rehabilitation is a right of the traffic survivor. This law, for the first time, gives this right to the traffic victim to have rehabilitation as a matter of right.